do decorate with me videos here on my channel, along with some lifestyle, some motherhood videos. So if that kind of content interests you, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe to my channel so you never miss an upload from me. Now, as you can see from the title of today's video, it's going to be a makeover of my son's toddler room. Whenever we redid his nursery, I did do a safari theme, but I wanted to add in more colors and texture this time around. Also found a picture of a Jeep bed on Pinterest that I had showed my husband, and he's like, yeah, no big deal, I can make that for him. And he actually made it for him for his 2nd birthday. And I love how it turned out. It just makes the room so cute. If you guys are curious to see what all I did for his room and where everything is from, then please continue to watch. So I am gonna show you how my son's room looks right now before we do a little makeover. So I do have a safari theme going on. I want to continue with that. I want to get a really cute basket for the bottom of this. I also want to find a tiger to go underneath the bed, kind of like it's laying under it. I've seen one on Amazon, so I want to get that. I also want to add more greenery up here. Also, I want to get a new light fixture. I think that would add a bunch. Lastly, I want to get different frames, so I'm not liking these mirrored silver frames here, and if my husband will make me my little Jeep bed. Okay guys, as you walk into the room, this is what you see. To the right, we have these bookshelves. So at the top here, it says Once Upon a Time. I got that wall decal from Amazon. And then these 3 shelves are also from Amazon. Underneath here, I just have this crate of stuffed animals. My son constantly takes all of them out and throws them. So he has a lot more stuffed animals than that, but we just keep some of them there. Now this rug, this jute rug, I actually got from Amazon, and it was only, I think, $70. And I love it. It's very high quality, and it just looks so perfect in here. My daughter decided to join us. Hi, Ray. Over here is his dresser. I actually painted it this white color. It used to be black, and then I painted the top gray. Up here, I just have these little ceramic safari animals, this little globe, a TV, and over here, I actually got this planter stand from Walmart, and then this little eucalyptus was a stem from Walmart, and it was only like $2. So altogether, I think this was only $6. And I think it looks so nice in here. Now over here, I got this really tall giraffe stuffed animal from Amazon, as well as this tiger down here, this life-size tiger. So up on the wall, I got these decals from Wayfair. They actually came in a bright green, and it just did not look right on the wall, so I went ahead and painted them with a chalk paint, and it was in moss green. And I feel like it turned out super nice. I really like the color. Okay, so here's the difference after I painted the one leaf. So I think the darker looks so much nicer. It doesn't look so fake. I also painted this wreath sign, which is my son's name. I painted it black. It used to be a gray color. And I just got that wreath sign from Etsy. I just found it on a shop there, and I think it looks so nice above his little Jeep bed. Now this Jeep bed turned out perfect. My husband actually built it, and we just put his crib mattress right in there. It fits perfect. And he pretty much just made it from scratch. He just used plywood for the top. He used these lights that he got from Home Depot. And then he actually works at a car dealership, so he added these little emblems. So he wanted it to technically be a Toyota 4Runner. So that's what that little symbol is for. And then he put the 4x4s on the sides. I think that's so cute. Now for the tires, we actually got those off of Facebook garage sales, and they were actually 4-wheel tires. So I thought those would work perfect. And then they actually, I went around and cleaned them with a toothbrush, and they still look a little dingy, but I washed them really good. I may go back through it again. And we were gonna get wheels for them to cover up the holes, but Reese, my son, loves to just put toys and stuff in there. So we thought we'd leave them. Come this way. Now over here is a faux tree, and it just had a little gray pot at the bottom, but I found this little basket. It fits perfectly. Now these frames used to be silver, and I actually just hot glued this rope that I got from Dollar Tree around it, so this was extremely cheap. I was looking to buy some new frames, and the frames I was looking at that were kind of the same style were so expensive, so this was extremely cheap to do, and I absolutely love how it turned out. So we have a little tiger there, a baby elephant. Now over here I have a baby giraffe, a baby zebra, and this little planter up here I got from Amazon as well, and the little stems I just got from Walmart, but I thought those looked so cute, the little banana leaf stems. Now down here is just a laundry basket, and my friend actually got that for me for my son for his baby shower, so it's been in here a while, and it still looks super cute, so I just put it right over there in the corner. Over here is a storage unit of just some of his toys. The brown and black bins I actually got from Amazon, the same as the chevron style ones. Those ones are from Amazon, and then the 4 gray are just from Walmart, and that just goes right underneath his window. Up here I have this really cute light fixture, and it just ties in so well with the boho safari theme. I got this from Amazon as well, and it's just so cute. I love how well it matches in here. Alright, so that wraps up my little makeover for my son's room. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video from me. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you in my next video.